Why is it that after years and years of Michael Saylor talking about what he's actually doing with his company strategy, that there are still highly intelligent and very qualified institutions that still don't get what he's trying to say? For those who don't know, MSCI, or Morgan Stanley Capital Internationals, is a major index, and currently they have been in the news with strategy about whether or not they should still include companies that have majority Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies on their balance sheet and still include them. Their argument is that these firms are more like investment funds rather than operating businesses. Recently, Strive has also written an open letter to MSCI about this exact situation. Okay, so here's the thing. Companies like Strategy specifically operates as a Bitcoin refinery engine. Think of it like an oil refinery where when you collect the crude oil, it is then processed into different oil products that different types of people need. For example, jet fuel, gasoline. The way Michael Saylor and the company Strategy has been trying to explain what they're doing is the same thing. They take spot Bitcoin and refine it into different securities, financial products that investors of different risk appetites can then buy. They currently have different types of products such as the common MSTR, STRK, STRD, STRF, STRC, which have different properties and are designed for different institutional holders and different people who want exposure to Bitcoin in the financial markets but want different options of it. Maybe some people want yield, some people don't really care about the upside of the stock but want monthly dividends. It's not like a fund or an ETF where you're simply holding spot Bitcoin. For example, if I wanted to just hold spot Bitcoin, I will hold it in self-custody by myself. But if I wanted to invest in a company that had more than 500,000 Bitcoin, over 650,000 Bitcoin, and potentially be the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin in the world, maybe a bank, then I would put a bet in a company like Strategy. This in no way is the same for every single cryptocurrency company. It really depends on how it's operated, the credibility of the company, how long they've been executing the strategy, and also the asset that they're holding. If you're a shitcoin or an altcoin treasury company with a very volatile token, doesn't mean that you can do the same thing that Strategy are doing. Yeah, that's my take on what a Bitcoin treasury is and why it's different from just another fund. Let me know what you think in the comments.